Okay, so I'm gonna open this box. You know, it sounds cool. It's in the box. He's such a good jump scare. Meet my kitties today. Alright. This is my kitty Simba. And then my brother's cat is coming around. I don't know where it is, but anyway. Look at him. He's such a precious boy. Anyway, come here, Simba. Grab him. Alright, so my cat's name is Simba. This is him. Alright, so yeah, they are very nice and cuddly boys. He's playful, in a playful mood right now. Let's go find. And then here we are. This is Farley. Oh my god, come here. That's them fighting. It's like a cage fight all day. They're really cute cats though, cause like. Yeah. He's camouflage. See, he's trying to escape. Like, you cannot do that. See him? They're really nice though. They're teething, so they know. Oh. He's just, looking out the window like a normal kitty. Checking out what's happening. By the way, I'm camping right now, so yeah, we're gonna be going home soon. Camping check. We go here all the time, except it's like really far. It's like, I don't know. Come here. Turn on the lights so you can have good lighting. Chop, chop. Open up. Alright.
So I know I told everybody that tomorrow was my last day.
Huh. He's hiding again. Not there. Oh, he's digging over. He can't do that. No. Get over here. Alright, got him again. Score. He is such a mischievous cat. Oh, see, look at that. Yes, this is my cat though, so yes. And yes, they are like the cutest cats you're ever gonna see, and they're not gonna let go of it, actually. Okay. Yes. Hi, so you can just open it up. How to fly. This is my bed. Brother's bed up there. And then there's a bed up there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Thank you. Please like, subscribe to Vivi Kitty Girl. She has like actually a lot of good videos on there. Yeah. So Vivian is my best friend. My name is Hayden. Obviously, and yeah, cats are like one of my favorite things to do. I love old cats. Yeah, I think they deserve to live like their life. I have a few cat videos on here too though, so that means like it's kind of cool that cats are really good at my videos. Come here. Come here, Farley. So once again, this is their little cat fights, and so yeah, please like and share the video. Bye.